Lesisigameko senzeke ezintatha namhlanje khathi kuhlasela abantu abahlanu abangaziwa abafike bavulela ngenhlamvu kulomuzi. Ebantwini abane abashonile kukhona inhloko yomuzi eneminyaka engama-64, umkayo oneminyaka engama-60, indodana eneminyaka engama-32 kanye nomakhelwane okumanje usesimweni esibucayi esibhedlela.
All the deceased adults. There's no child because it was the mother, the father, the son, the grandson, and a female visitor, neighbor, who's believed to be the girlfriend to the grandson.
Ngokusho komndeni asiqali ukwenzeka lesisigameko kwake kwadutshulwa umama wakulomuzi ngonyaka owedlule kepha-ke wasinda.
Akukho ngikwaziyo okunye ngaye kodwa-ke khona okuthize kwenzeka lapha phakathi kwaleli ekhaya kwafike kwadutshulwa iwindi lokwadubuleka umakoti kwala ekhaya lo sephinde kwadutshulwa futhi. Akukho okunye ngikwaziyo ukuthi kwakwenze njani noma ubani ngazi lutho.
What we found so far is that there's been an ongoing family feud which could have led to the shootings because at least a year ago it was a similar incident in the very same place where the mother who was now deceased was shot and injured.
Ikhansela lendawo lithi lo mndeni ubungakaze ube nokungaboni ngasolinye nomphakathi.
They are a good family. We have never had anything bad related or which something that they've done in the community. They are good people.
Uyedwa umuntu osindile kulokhu kuhlasela ophume wabaleka. Amaphoyisa athungatha Abasolwa Abahlanu okumanje bagcwele amathafa.